Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Bagulam Abbas and you are watching Mishi Arts, the world of crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these cute, simple, quick and very easy face scrubbies. These scrubbies are made with 100% cotton yarn that I have, and we are going to have a 3.5 mm hook. Let me focus it. So you will be needing 3.5 mm hook, and you will be needing a tapestry needle, and you will also be needing a pair of scissors. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this you are going to start with a magic circle, and for the magic circle you are simply going to wrap the yarn on your finger and hold it like this. And our magic circle is ready. Now we are going to yarn over and bring the loop, yarn and chain one. Okay, remember you have to hold this tail and the ring like this. Okay, so we did chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. So after chain 3, yarn over and we are going to make a double crochet into this magic ring. So insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is called a double crochet. Next we are going to make 11 more double crochets. So we need 12 double crochets all together into this magic ring. This is my second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So I have completed my 12 double crochets, and now what I'm going to do is, we have this tail of our magic circle. I'm going to pull this tail so that our center is closed, and as you can see now there is no hole in our work. Now we are going to make a slip stitch into the first double crochet, because chain 3 we are not going to count as our first double crochet. So we did chain slip stitch into our very first double crochet. Now I am going to chain 3 and start my second round, and in the second round we are going to make double crochet in each of the stitches we have. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is our first double crochet, and now this is our second double crochet into the same stitch. Into the next one we are going to do the same. We are going to make double crochet into 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Continue till you reach till the end, and at the end of this round 2 we are going to have 24 double crochets all together. So I have completed my round 2. At the end of the round 2 I have 24 stitches all together, and now I am going to do a slip stitch into our very first double crochet. Now moving on to the last round, that is our third round, and I am going to chain 3 and start my work by working 2 double crochets into one stitch into the first stitch, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So you see, into the next one I'm going to do 2 double crochets, and into the next I'm going to do 1 double crochet. In this way you are going to continue till the end of this round, and join me back when you have completed your round 3. So I have completed my round 3 and I am on the last stitch that I have done, and that is the double crochet. And now I am going to do a slip stitch into my first double crochet of this round, and I am going to cut my yarn and fasten off. So our scrubby is complete, as you can see. And now what we have to do, we have to weave our ends. So for that, simply what you have to do, you have to pass the needle through your stitches and insert your yarn into the needle like this, and simply pull the needle, and that's it. Your one end is being weaved. So cut this yarn. Now the same thing we have to do with the other end, and at the end this will be the result after weaving the ends. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. So this was it for today. These are the face scrubbies that I have done, and in the next video I will be showing you the very simple and easy quick pattern for the washcloth. Okay, so stay tuned, and I hope you like my video. Please do subscribe to my channel and also share my videos, and do click to the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. I will be making a spa set out of these scrubbies, so watch my series. And if you want that yarn review of this yarn, this is 100% cotton yarn, drops Paris yarn. That is this is not a local yarn. So if you want to see the review, you can go into the description box and there is a link, or you can also check out the link that is being displayed on your screen. Thank you so much. Have a great day.